Hey guys, today I'm going to take you to the biggest sugar factory in Pakistan and I'm going to show you how sugar is made from sugarcane. गन्ने से चीनी कैसे बनती है पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़ी फैक्ट्री के अंदर आपको लेके चलते हैं और आपको प्रोसेस दिखाते हैं शुगर कैसे बनती है. So step 1 is this. Sugar comes in a trolley like that. Yeah. You attach the trolley onto this hydraulics. Pull it up. Can you see the hydraulics doing its job? It's pulling this up. And then slowly it releases it. Hopefully. Of the sugar, yeah? So the sugar comes right behind him there. That's the sugar cane is coming in.
Actually can carry a primary can carry.
अच्छा ठीक है. उसके बाद then it carries it.
इसमें stopper लगा हुआ है जो इसको बंद करता है. इसी में से.
अच्छा ये इसके ऊपर लगा हुआ है. सही है सही है सही है. So the sugar cane goes in and then gets processed over there. Machine is cutting it in pieces, yeah? Through this whole process, sugar cane comes through and then goes there.
कहने का टॉप क्या हो ये आधा तो ये इस टाइम में आ गया मेरा.
मतलब इससे अभी तक चीनी नहीं निकली.
नहीं अभी चीनी नहीं.
It's just chopped. They haven't pressed it. They just chopped it. After all of that is processed, that's the dust of the sugar cane. And this is how the dust looks like. Take in your hand. That's completely dry. Yeah. All the sugar and contents have come out. Look at the contents of this. Yeah. So this is where they run between each other like that. The way they are sitting in that corner right up there, and that is what they produce. And the sugar cane goes through that. And the sugar comes out. This dust which you just saw there is coming through the top here and then it's burning inside this. That's the dust which is coming all the way from there. So all of that which is produced up there, the burning, the smoke of that, the heat is coming here. And this is where they decide where that's going to go, and their turbine is coming. This is all of that, you know, the water, the essence of the sugar cane goes through there and then gets heated up in these chambers and then it goes inside these big chambers and gets thickened up and it goes all through that and then get processed at different. So these are the next stages of that where each one produces and goes through sugar, goes through different cubes and different density and then it gets processed. Now we're going to inside where the end product comes in. So this is the last product which comes out. They produce multiple products and that's the sugar. And this is where they are filling up sugar bags. It's a 50 kg bag each. So machine holds it and puts 50 kgs in each bag and bag gets filled up over here. These guys are closing the bags, you can see. This guy is going through the bag. All of these are going to the warehouse. that's the brown sugar which comes out. It's processed in the same way, just on a different conveyor belt. This is the leftover machinery which is outside, and anything which we don't use gets thrown out here and then recycled. Best part is, and you know what's the best part? Everything we do in this factory, yeah, all the money this factory produces, once the sugar is produced, this is the leftover. And any money this factory makes goes to charity. This is the leftover from the sugar. Once the sugar, brown sugar, everything is extracted, and it smells amazing, sugar. This is caramel in a way. It's called molasses. All of this water is coming out now. It's coming by with pressure, and this water is cooling down the machinery inside the factory. It comes out, goes away, cools down, and then goes back into the factory and helps cool down all the machinery which is producing sugar.